also on Sunday. So many Montevideans leave the city on Friday and come back here Sunday. It's kind of in July, because the 18th of July, 1830, was the first constitution of this country. This area is, we can say Montevideo is a green city because we have about 200,000 trees on the sidewalks, system. Okay? The population here mostly is 40% Spaniard descendants, made up of different countries. And we do not have natives of these lands, unfortunately. They were all killed by the first president of this country because they considered them aggressive. They were not armed to do an arrangement, they say, and when they arrived, they killed them all. There were a few survivors, a family, and it was sent to Paris, to a museum, as an exhibition. And then the others that could survive and run away of the slaughter, they mix up with the Spaniard Italian architects that built the Congress in Buenos Aires. And it has a really big influence of Greek and the other flag next to our national flag. It's blue, white and red. It's our hero flag, as his own flag, the one we saw at the Independence Square. So we're gonna do a Japón.
Alright, selfie pare, chal, selfie pare.
area of Montevideo next to the agricultural market. And now we are heading to the land of the city, to a big park called Carriage. And so that way you will see different phases of the city of Montevideo. The Carriage area is a premier area, more residential area. It is around itself, that's an area. So let's talk a little bit about the economy of this country to have a rough idea. Mostly we can say we are an agricultural country. We export a lot of things. That's our main products of exportation. Remember we say we are 3 million inhabitants, 3 million of Uruguayans. Okay, the number of cows of this country is 12 million, so 4 per Uruguayans. Uruguayans, we say we're going to disappear one day, so probably this will make the cows banks. Yes, that's true. Yes,
So here, yeah,
could
you
happen.
can see the space.
If we're still like this nowadays, it will happen. We are also exporting a lot of soy, pulp from trees. We have big factories. We produce a lot of pulp. Also, we are exporting a lot of software. The unemployment rate is 8% nowadays, but in the software industry, the unemployment rate is 0. That's why last year, Brazil, Colombia, so because of that, because of 3 years, they request a residence and they study at our university. That's happening since long ago. I want to show you this building here on your left because this is the first hospital of the country. Remember we mentioned we have a big community of Italians. Well, they decided so. This bay is the port, and we are here in this big green park, the land of Montevideo, Parque Valle. I told you we're going to be surrounded by trees, a greener area. This residential area, if we compare with the ones next to the agricultural market, is upper class area, not the most expensive area in Montevideo. We can say medium upper class of the city, but it's not where the rich people live in this city. We have here embassies, residential houses, offices, and lots of hospitals. The Italian one, the British, the American hospital. We have American hospital as well. Catholic hospital, the children hospital. All of them made many laws that were supporting the working class. For example, the working hours, the journey, made a law that sounds Argentina, about 98% of the people, yes, they follow our religion, and the same is happening in Brazil. In here, less than half of that, about 40% of the population follow our religion, probably related with the separation of the Catholic, the church to the state. And only 5% of them that they are practicants. So why the Church of Uruguay, the poorest in America, because they do not have followers. Okay? Everything here in a small size. I say it again, the area, the population, the main street, and so request by a woman as well. Also really extreme sounds nowadays, but 100 years ago, I think Argentina next
die haben schon. Oh, there he is, going back in the bus.